Everyone see this?
Yeah, we can see it, Nash.
Thank you. So this is an example of a dummy patient, and I am going to demonstrate on EMIS Web how to set up your template for accuRX. So the first thing to point out is that you would all have access to this toolbar, which gives you a variety of different options. The left-hand box here opens up a a screen which allows you to view different options for different templates that you've set up. Some of these templates are specific to the practice, and some of them are more generic templates that are provided nationally. I'm sorry, I'm just testing out a mobile number here. Right, so if you're not sure how to set up a template, you need to go click on the right hand box at the top and you go to manage practice. Within that, that will allow you to I do apologize. Manage templates. So you need to go onto the manage templates section, and within that you should be able to create a new template. And you can see there are templates for your specific user, there are templates for your practice, and there are accuRX templates which are sent through to everyone. Unfortunately, we're only able to currently have practice specific templates, and you will need to set that up yourself. So the one that we have set up is for referral to the low calorie diet, and you'll need to go to create new, and the text message that we have provided for you, you need to copy and paste that onto this section, and you can also add a read code on there as well if you want to. And the only thing I would suggest you do is click on this box which says allow patient to respond once. Okay, so I'll quickly show you the template first, and then I'll show you how we can actually add the template on to your accuRX tool. So in my settings, I have already got the low calorie diet template invite on my top screen. If I click on that, that will enable me to send a message. That message says you are receiving this message because you have been identified as someone who could be eligible for a free place on the NHS low calorie diet program. Click on the link below. Now the link below is the link to Momenta's website, and if I can show you what that looks like, you will be able to see that this automatically brings them to a page which is developed specifically for patients. And as you can see, it starts off with you're likely to have arrived here by clicking a link sent to you by your GP practice. So it will all follow through in terms of what you are providing them with the information, and this then continues to provide them with more information about what the low calorie diet is, who's eligible, and how they can refer themselves through their GP practice to them. There's also information on the diet replacement products as well. So if you want to have a look at what that looks like, you can see the different products that are available. And obviously these are examples of orders that people can make once they've been accepted onto the program. So going back to the message, the next part of the message says this program is designed to help people with type 2 diabetes to lose weight, improve blood sugar levels, and reduce the need for diabetes-related medications. If interested, reply yes to this message. So you have to ensure that there's a tick box here that says allow patient to respond once. If I then send this message, That message has been sent to Mrs. Mouse, and hopefully, if she's read it and she's accepted, you should get a reply back in your inbox when the patient has digested the information, decided that they are interested, and they will reply yes to you, and you will get that notification. Once you have that notification in your inbox, you can then begin to formally contact the patient, either through a telephone or video consultation, or through a face-to-face consultation. That is entirely up to you. And where you can use this template, what group of patients? Well, if you go on to your reporting systems, you should have a low-calorie diet folder on here. Within that folder, you should be able to find two groups of searches. One includes drug exclusions, such as anticoagulation and warfarin medications. Another is a full list of patients. So obviously, I can't run this search because of patient confidentiality reasons, but if you run this search, you will get a spread. You can download a spreadsheet of patients that potentially are eligible for the pilot. And within accuRX, you are now able to send messages as a batch. So you can select maybe 10 patients from that spreadsheet, and you can send the same message to 10 of those patients in one go. And as you can see, this patient has responded to my message. Matilda Mouse has responded yes. I can then save that to her record to show that she has now accepted, and then I can go ahead and complete the process for contacting the patient in order to enroll them onto the low-calorie diet program.